Celebrate 100 years of printmaking at the third annual Black Art in America Fine Art Print Fair. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Kelli Morgan, and I'm thrilled to share this celebration of an extraordinary legacy, 100 years of African American printmaking. This year marks the third annual Black Art in America Fine Art Print Fair, taking place August 1st through August 3rd, 2025 in Atlanta. This special gathering will honor a century of African American printmakers whose bold visions and crafts transformed what printmaking could be and who continue to expand the creative possibilities of the medium. Visitors to the fair will find a rare opportunity to acquire works that span from the 1930s to present day, with prints dating back as early as 1929. It's a chance to hold a piece of our collective cultural story, a story of perseverance, collaboration, and artistry that bridges generations. To understand this rich legacy, we must look to the Trailblazers. Robert Blackburn, a master printmaker, founded the legendary printmaking workshop in New York in 1948. His studio nurtured countless artists, black, brown, and white alike, creating a community where experimentation and mutual support flourished. Equally pioneering was Doc's Thrash, the brilliant innovator behind the carborundum printmaking process. Working in the Philadelphia WPA print workshop during the 1930s, Thrash captured the dignity and struggles of Black life through his experimental prints, layering textures and tonalities in ways that redefined what printmaking could convey. One of Blackburn's most notable students was Dr. Curlee Raven Holton, today an acclaimed printmaker, scholar, and master printer in his own right. Curlee carries Blackburn's ethos forward: community, experimentation, and the importance of stewarding Black art's legacies. I fell in love with print making and prints myself upon meeting Curlee at the beginning of my curatorial career when I was a curatorial fellow at PAFA. At this year's print fair, Curlee will join the internationally renowned sculptor Melvin Edwards for an enlightening conversation about the legacy of African American printmakers and the generations they continue to inspire. This year's fair is about more than acquiring work. It's about witnessing history come alive. Visitors will experience inked resistance, power and protest, and Black printmaking, presented by renowned printmaker Tracy Mims. Her presentation will highlight pivotal artists, landmark movements, and the evolution of techniques that have defined Black printmaking from the Harlem Renaissance to present day. You can also check out Changing the Game, the power of print, publishing, and partnerships. Join Najee Dorsey, founder of Black Art in America, Michelle A. Parchment, executive director of the Brandywine Workshop and Archives, and John Guest, the executive director of the Houston Museum of African American Culture, for a dynamic conversation exploring how their respective institutional collaborations are impacting the landscape of Black visual culture internationally. Get close up with the creative process during live printmaking demonstrations and artist spotlights. Throughout the weekend, featured artists such as Nylena Brewer, Jamal Barbara, and Alfred Conte will share their techniques, tools, and inspirations, offering a rare behind the scenes look at the craft of printmaking in real time. This remarkable celebration is made possible by Najee Dorsey, artist, arts leader, and the founder of Black Art in America. Najee's dedication to shining a light on Black artists, too often overlooked in mainstream art history, has built a powerful community of makers and collectors who share a vision for the future of Black art. So mark your calendars for August 1st through the 3rd, 2025, and come to Atlanta for the third annual Black Art in America Fine Art Print Fair. If I can get my life together, I'm going to do my best to be there myself. And in these really, really troubling times, let's dedicate ourselves to coming together to honor the past, to celebrate the present, and to invest in the future of Black printmaking together. Collectively, we will come and celebrate a century of resilience, creativity, and the vision to keep going, because the next 100 years are still waiting to be printed.